Hey, everybody, welcome to my channel, D2I Training, and thanks for joining me for today's security tip. And I want to talk about changing your driving habits. And what I mean by that is changing the way we grab the steering wheel and the way we manipulate the brake and gas pedal. So after having gone and attended 5 or 6 high-speed, beyond normal limits driving courses, I've kind of picked up a few techniques that I personally like that I'd like to share with you guys. So the first thing I want to address is our hand placement on the steering wheel. So we were taught, most everybody was taught, 9 and 3, 10 and 2 position on the steering wheel. But look into changing your positions to the 7 and 5 position. So down here at the bottom. And this serves for a couple of purposes. So in the event of like a head-on collision or any sort of collision that deploys the airbags, if I was up at the traditional position, that can throw my hands up and actually break wrists, break bones when I hit the ceiling with my hands. But if they're down here, if the airbag deploys, I don't injure my arms or my hands, and I'm still able to manipulate the seatbelt. Possibly if I need to get out of the vehicle, I can still do that. Also, when I'm down here, I'm more relaxed. I can't tense up. Up here, I can brace myself, and that can cause further injury. And down here, I can't do it. So that's some of the purposes. And then also, when you want to turn, all you do is you shuffle your hands. You don't ever cross over. You don't ever run out of steering input like you do up top. So those are a couple of the reasons why you drive down here. Also, look into left foot braking. Most people pivot the foot over from the gas pedal to brake. But try keeping the left foot on the brake at all times and the right foot on the gas pedal at all times. Obviously, this is just for an automatic car. And it doesn't matter the terrain you drive on, you can do the left foot braking on all terrains. The hand placement is just for street driving. If you take it off-road, then yeah, you don't want to be doing this 7 and 5 hand positioning. All right. Thirdly, look into the position of your seat. You need to be upright. You don't want to recline that seat. And the reason being is you have a better response time and have a better feel for what the vehicle is doing when my back is against the seat. If there's that gap, then I'm always kind of a fraction of a second behind what the vehicle is telling me. And I want an instantaneous response of what the vehicle is telling me. So that's the reason why you need to have your seat in an upright position. So those are just a few of my security tips for driving around town. Let me know how that goes for you and try it out. And I'm curious to see if you guys like it. And just be advised, it will take some time to get used to it and create a new habit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave any comments below.